Hey there, fabulous viewers. Welcome to yet another enlightening video from Simplilearn. Today, we will be introducing you to an exciting career path in the world of technology, UX researcher, a career where newcomers have the potential to earn up to $1 million annually. Did you know that more and more organizations are realizing how vital UX researchers for product development? 82% of product organizations have at least one dedicated UX researcher. So, what are you waiting for? Join me as we delve into the exciting world of UX research, specifically focusing on what are the skills and tools you need to become a UX researcher, what is the salary you can expect, and the endless possibilities in this field. But before we begin, if you are interested in a career in UI UX, join our immersive UI UX certification program and become an expert in just 5 months. The course offers live online classes led by renowned faculty from IIIT Bangalore. Get hands-on with Capstone Projects, craft your portfolio on Dribbble, and receive personalized coaching on top designer tools. And the best part? Simplilearn's job assistance is here to support your journey every step of the way. So enroll now and unlock endless possibilities in the realm of UI UX design. The course link is in the description box and pinned comments. So let's first have a look at a case study. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. These words from Steve Jobs perfectly capture the essence of UX research, understanding how design impacts user experience. Apple is a prime example of how prioritizing UX research can lead to success. Since the introduction of the iPhone in 2007, Apple has fundamentally transformed the way people interact with their phones. Before the iPhone, most phones featured physical keyboards and navigation buttons, but Apple revolutionized this paradigm by introducing a touchscreen interface that allowed users to interact with their phones through gestures and taps. The introduction of multi-touch technology enabled users to pinch, swipe, and zoom with ease, making navigation more intuitive and fluid. This is how Apple astutely researched the user's needs and requirements and were able to boom in the market. This demonstrates the significant impact of UX or user experience research. Having known the significance of UX research, now let's see what the job market for a researcher looks like. According to the latest data, the future looks incredibly bright for aspiring UX researchers. Projections indicate a whopping 19% growth rate in job opportunities from 2024 to 2031. This surge in demand not only offers promising career prospects, but also underscores the vital role UX researchers play in shaping the digital landscape of tomorrow. Now, what are the earnings that you can expect once you are a UX researcher? The salary of a UX researcher depends on many factors, such as experience, location, skill set, and much more. But on an average, according to UMass Amherst, an entry-level employee can expect a salary to be anywhere from $66,000 to $1 million. Beyond the shadow of a doubt, your salary increases as you climb up the ladder, where a senior or lead UX researcher can expect an average salary of $114,000 to $124,000, depending on his or her experience. Now, what exactly does a UX researcher do, and what it takes to be a successful UX researcher? UX researchers are like detectives, uncovering insights about user behavior through interviews, surveys, and usability tests. These insights are then used to design products and interfaces that meet user needs. So once you're a UX researcher, you will be required to plan and design strategies to understand user needs and behavior. You have to collect data through interviews, surveys, etc., and analyze the data by identifying patterns or trends, insights, and opportunities for improving the user experience. You will be expected to present research findings to the stakeholders of the company and work closely with the designers, product managers, and developers to implement your research findings in product development. You have to do research on regular intervals to ensure quality user experience throughout the user's journey and to sustain the product's competency with the upcoming trends. What skills do you need to develop to become a UX researcher? Firstly, you need a strong understanding of human behavior and psychology. You must be good at analyzing and interpreting data, have a statistical approach, and knowing the basics of designing will help you to draw practical solutions. You also require soft skills such as good and effective communication, curiosity to think beyond the box, problem solving, and critical thinking. Now, some of the tools and programs UX researchers use today are UserZoom, Hotjar, Optimal Workshop, Qualtrics, Typeform, user testing, etc. So, having proficiency with these tools can enhance your prospects of securing a job. Now, having said all this, how do you look out for job opportunities? Whether you're a recent graduate or shifting careers, the abundant need for UX researchers ensures ample job opportunities across various sectors, ranging from startups to established enterprises. However, the question remains, how exactly can one navigate the process of securing UX researcher positions? Build a compelling portfolio that includes case studies, which highlights your research strategies, findings, and the impact of your analysis on product development. Networking is the key to uncovering job opportunities and connecting with professionals in your domain. Engage with fellow UX researchers and participate in discussions on social media platforms such as LinkedIn, X, etc. You can utilize online job platforms and job portals where you will find job openings specifically tailored for UX researcher roles. But before you apply, make sure your resume stands out by choosing the right keywords for it and making sure that it is optimized for ATS compatibility. In today's job market, for UX researchers, having a few extra tech skills up your sleeve can really make you stand out. Get comfortable with data analytic tools like Google Analytics and prototyping tools like Figma or Adobe XD, so you can bring your designs to life and communicate them better. Plus, explore and get better understanding about VR, AR, software development, mobile applications, and more. The broader your skill set, the more valuable you become to any UX team. I trust that by now, you have gained a solid grasp on how to kickstart your journey towards a career as a UX researcher. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of UX research. If you are passionate about improving user experiences and have a knack for problem solving, this could be the perfect career for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.